bunch of savages. Savage Rooster here, and I'm at Six Flags over Texas, but I'm not quite in it yet. I'm outside, of course. You just heard JoJo screaming by. Check this out. This is a Friday. It's not even a Saturday. It's a Friday in October for Fright Fest, and here comes the coaster again. It's insane. I'm waiting to get in. This is what we're dealing with. I mean, it's sat still, waiting to get in. I'm sure by the time I get over there, the preferred lot will be full, and I'll have to park in the North 40 like I did last time. Come on with me and see what we can see on Friday. Anyway, we're like halfway through the Fright Fest season kind of thing. So come on, let's go. Let's see what we can see. Scary time. Come on. As I'm on my way in, check out the flags. It's Six Flags, but it's like it's Bavarian flag, the trick or treat trail thing, whatever I don't know what they call it in here, but the tricks and treats, that's what it is. Tricks and treats, and then Fright Fest by Snickers, and then Fright Fest by Snickers, tricks and treats, and then Bavarian flag. And there goes the scream, the judge will scream. Nobody's screaming. Oh wait, never mind, they're screaming. I hears them. All right, it's kind of my turn. There's not many cars coming this way. Most of them, they're all going in to flags. So I might have to take, let's see, if this guy doesn't turn right in there. Yeah, they are. I'm gonna go ahead and pull right over here. Yikes, what a mess, y'all. This is crazy time. Fright Fest time is nuts. Here's a better look at the flags there. I wish if the wind was blowing, they're just kind of hanging there. And you got to appreciate this sign here. Welcome to Six Flags Over Texas, and it says "Taking History by the Horns." That's reference, of course, to the new coaster coming, Tormenta, Rampaging Run. There's some duckies, and also a trolley stop. That sign says so, and there's a trolley right there stopped. Right there by the trolley stop, there's lots of picnic tables that I didn't know. I never noticed they were there before. They must have just done that. Yes, I'm showing picnic tables and ducks crossing the road because I'm bored sitting here trying to get in. And since I was out on the road, it's taken about a half hour to get up here to the booth. I'm going to say hi to Toll Booth Willie. Is this some Holiday in the Park previews over here? They've got some lights on the trees right there. See this guy right here? I watched him. They parked over there at the drop-off bit. He walked up there with his kids, got them inside, and they came back out. It's not how it works, bro. All right. Okay, here's where I ended up way back here. Behind Titan, basically. But anyway. All right, let's get to walking. Dang it. I'm too old for this crap. My real question is, where the heck's the tram? Dude? Dang. All right, I've made it this far, and through there you can see cranes, dude. What? You can see cranes right there. Let's go. Let's get up there and see that piece of track that we all got to sign is the first piece of track put in. And I don't know if it's still standing alone, or if they put anything on either side of it, but let's get over and see what we can see. All right, I made it to the scrimmy bits. There's the big ad for the coaster. All right, we'll see what we can see as we're going through. You can see the, like I said, the crane right there, dude. They're doing some stuff. Where's the damn track? Oh, I see it, but I can't get a good vantage point from here. Here's some of the track up close, but the one that's in place is the one that I'm looking for. I hear the gooses. Usually I see them walking, but they're flying over. All right, I made it up to the front. You see a lot of people standing around on their phones, calling their parents, going, "Hey, we couldn't get in," that kind of thing. So, quite interesting. Let's see what we can see right in here. Here's the, I mean, of course I've been in there, but I can't see. I think it's behind the cranes where the actual track is that's up. Maybe we can see it from in there somewhere. All right, let's get in. I feel like all eyes are on me. There's a bunch of teenagers around on either side, and they're looking for somebody older like me that can take them in. I ain't doing it, no way. I made it in! I barely made it in, but I made it in. Wow, it took forever to get it. It was about an hour full from out there on the road to getting in from the pumpkins. Lovely.
Oh, the pumpkin patch, where magic grows, under the sky where the cool wind blows. Pick your pumpkin round and bright in the pumpkin patch under the moonlight. Carve a smile or a spooky face, the pumpkin patch is a special place. Families gather hand in hand, searching for the best in the autumn land. Children run with laughter and cheer among the pumpkins far and near. A scarecrow stands with a watchful eye as leaves dance in the October sky. Oh, the pumpkin patch, where magic grows, under the sky where the cool wind blows. Pick your pumpkin round and bright in the pumpkin patch under the moonlight. Carve a smile or a spooky face, the pumpkin patch is a special place. When the sun sets low and the stars appear, the pumpkin patch becomes so dear. Lanterns glow with a gentle gleam, in the heart of the patch it feels like a dream. Oh, the pumpkin patch where magic grows, under the sky where the cool wind blows. Pick your pumpkin round and bright in the pumpkin patch under the moonlight. So every year when autumn calls, we'll visit the patch where the pumpkins sprawl. In the crisp air with joy unmatched, we'll find our treasure in the pumpkin patch. The pumpkin patch where memories stay, and the magic of Halloween leads the way.
Right, as I'm looking at all these pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns and stuff, this piece right here, I talked to somebody in the park. Turns out this is like kind of like polystyrene styrofoam, and this was hand carved by artists in the park. This wasn't, I thought it was something that was probably bought and shipped here or something. No, that is from artists here in the park. That makes it extra epic, man. For real, right? Look at that. That's some work. I would love to see like a time lapse of even one of these getting done. Really good work, man. So kudos. So whoever you are at the park that did this, kudos to you, man. You rock. Apparently there's two artists, I was told, two artists that are doing that. I had no idea there was that kind of talent here. Wow. That's nice. I love it. All right, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna hang out in the scare zones, and I'm going to try not to, you know, comment and just try to get the scare. So listen to the sights or the frights and sounds of Six Flags Over Texas Fright Fest Scare Zone. Alright, I'm heading out of this scare zone and going toward Mexico and Spain. I'm probably going to catch a glimpse of the track now that it's dark, but come around here and see about getting some food. If you haven't noticed, this has changed to Los Dulces, the sweets, sweet treats. They have some dining stuff on the snack, a dining menu snack, soft serve in a cup, things like that. Now this smells good. Tostina's Cantina. It's pretty good. Get nachos from here. You can share like 2 nachos. You can share with 2 people, maybe 3, shoot, depending on how hungry or not so hungry you are, but they've got loads. All right, here's the Mexico area. Oh, that looks gorgeous with the lights over there. I wonder if they're gonna keep this as per normal, but they got candles for a Dia de los Muertos. Over here at Casa de Six Flags, they have got a window merch scene. They got like a bat and a spider. It's very nice looking. The entrance of Spain, of course, the track that we signed will be gone now because it's installed. But they are definitely building excitement for 2026, I tell you. So it was right here, and then they moved it over there. It was right here in front of the Spain sign, but it'll be in there installed somewhere. I wish they'd put a light on it so you can see it from out here. All right, we're making our way over here to the near where they do the gunfight show. And pardon me for not knowing the names of these areas. I'm trying to find the signs for them. I can't retain that information. But we're coming into it. Looks pretty lovely. We got this cowboy on a horse. Dude, the park is looking awesome, man. Over here, this is the Polynesian palm. They've actually got a palm tree out here. What? When did that happen? Polynesian palm hunt, and they've actually got a palm. Heck yeah, man. Very nice. I'm gonna come in here and watch and hear guling piano. Wanted Dead or Alive, Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi or Bon Jovi. I want them to play Stephen Lynch's Halloween, but they're not taking requests like they were whenever it was dueling pianos. So I wish they would, because I would like to hear that one. And to be honest, they probably don't know it. They'd probably like to learn it and know it too. It's a good, best Halloween song ever. Anyway, let's get over here and see the Cowboys. I missed them. I turned the wrong way. Here goes some. Here's some Cowboys from here. Alright, I haven't had the street tacos in a while, so I decided to have those again. It doesn't look very good with this lighting because there's not very much light over here. So I'm going to go ahead and go have my food, and you know what you got to do. If you're new here and you don't know what you got to do, you got to shut up when I'm eating. Sorry. Shut up.
He's just a weenie.
to remember and celebrate nuestros seres queridos, our loved ones who have passed on. We keep their spirits alive con flores y comida, with stories and laughter. Teniendo un día de reflexión nos ayuda to keep them alive in our hearts all year. So venture forth through the force at Casa Magnética.
All right, let's move. There's a lot of scares here with the cowboys from hell. Let's go over to where they do the witch burning at the plague. Let's see what's doing. Well, hi there. You need to eat a cheeseburger too. And over here at the exit of Polynesian Palm, here come some people. They survived it. Oh, it's still smoldering, like they may have just smoked a witch right there. They smoked a Salem's Light, because they lit it up, you know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna be quiet and you can hear some scares and sounds and such.
You want to have fun?
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm sick. Look at me. Isn't that gross? Where is he? Oh, come on. Let's go on.
This is J2 Shice coming at you from Six Flags Over Texas, wishing you a happy Halloween.
That's crazy. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. What's your surroundings, eh?
All right, there's only 2 scare actors here, and they're not getting a lot of scares, so I'm gonna keep rolling around and get over to Trick or Treat pretty soon. Let's go. Let's see what else there is. Come on. All right, coming up to my favorite scare zone, and it's my favorite Halloween movie, and that's Trick or Treat. Let's go. The most beautiful scare zone you've ever seen. Yeah, you ruined my video, but that's all right.
No,
I'm kidding. I can do it.
my bad, bro. You ruined the video.
I had to push record so I can hear myself say that.
There was this girl, and she had a
We have some possibly new subscribers here.
Yeah.
I mean,
subscribe.
they owe it to me after. No, I'm joking. I was kidding. Bye, new savages. Hope you like your picture. All right, I'm gonna go back through and save the best for last. This is actually the best way to go through this scare zone is from Superman that way because of the last house on the right, which is awesome.
I guess it's like the guy's house. Yeah.
No, the scream is scary. No, she doesn't look scary. Albert Einstein. Sorry. You're not that smart.
What's going on inside?
You can see right there at the fireplace, he's actually got the picture of the kids that he and himself. I think he's in the picture too, standing with them by the bus. I think, yeah.
That's not American. That's not American. Oh my God.
It's not Easter. It's not Easter. Whoa! Oh my God! What is that? That's real! That's real! You know what your movie reminds me of? Nia. What's that
You should hide it.
He was standing on the
Oh. I could not just stay in this zone all night. I could live in this zone. I want to live in the house. It's got the trick-or-treat writing all over the inside of it. Or the only house you can see inside of. And I love it over here. She was getting some good scares with stomping on that metal thing. Very nice. I'm going to continue around and see about the sliders over in Gotham. So let's continue that way. So let's go that way, y'all. When you come out and you come to the Forsaken Fairgrounds, you gotta come say hi to Beast. He's in the smoke. Smokey!
Oh my goodness.
What up, Beast?
I know that's not. What's up, Mr. Savage?
Had to come say hey to Beast.
Yeah,
man.
the one and only Beast.
Heck yeah, dude.
I'm the king now, so.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Wait, you're saying you weren't before?
Well, you know, they gave all the credit to that Thunder guy.
The Thunder
So,
guy.
may he rest in hell. Hey, where is everyone going?
I know, right? I'm looking.
Come back!
You're scaring them away. And you're doing your job.
That's not good.
Oh, right.
I'm here to collect life insurance. Come collect. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Worst parade ever.
This is.
Sure, go.
All right, hey.
Take a picture.
He gonna get him.
We got a slide. Are you ready for this, Savage?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. Dang, you made them hungry. They went in to get some food.
Yeah, build up an appetite.
For real? Ooh. Get out of your way. Or am I in your way? Sorry.
Going over there.
Oh. Oh, dang. Wow, that's some talent right there.
That's crazy.
Wow.
I'm watching your video.
You want to be in it?
Yeah, sure.
Well, hey, look, we got some savages over here.
Hi.
Are these characters getting y'all?
Yes.
Are they?
They were, but now we're cool with them because we're.
Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. It is fun. That's the way you should look at it.
Because we were scared to come here. Yeah,
Oh,
we were
okay.
watching it.
That's the way to do it. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if it.
Hey!
I don't know if it was your son or not, but I saw a little boy with you.
Little boy?
Yeah.
And my son's taller than me now, so I don't know. It might not have been him. Yeah, he never comes, but my daughter comes along sometimes. But and that got on the video, by the way. That scare. Oh, he got you. Y'all stay savage. Bye, y'all. Hello. Here's Coaster Floyd. He's on his Ever Smile marathon. What are you, like 400 or something?
I'm at 173 right
Oh,
now.
sorry. Sorry, I shot so high. Sorry about that.
Yeah,
Oh, dude.
I'm almost to 180. My main goal by...
Your main goal is to be the first person to get a restraining order from a haunted house.
Yeah, well, that already happened already, so...
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to 200
Oh,
by
all right.
tomorrow.
All right, you can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, I'm missing it.
I saw the keypad. Last time she came with roller skates.
What's that weird thing?
It's a camera, so you got to move. No, yeah, it's a gimbal. Yeah, it tracks goblins. Goblin tracker. I don't know where I'm going next, but I'm leaving the Forsaken Fairgrounds. The sliders always, as per normal, the sliders always get the best scares. I mean, consistently, you know. So, I mean, the other ones, you know, you can get some scares here and there. I mean, they were killing it over there in Trick or Treat, but sliders, it's so fun, love it. Thanks, sliders. They got the bubbles going out of the well. All right, let's go through this last scare zone, well, the first scare zone again on the way out and see what we can see. Come on. I don't hear no chainsaws though. They're here though. I see them. Wow. Gone into the fog.
Is that real?
Sure it is.
Let me see.
That's real. Don't chop it up with your chainsaw, please. I was like, you can chop it up with your chainsaw. I joke. I'm just capturing all the souls that y'all are taking on camera anyway. Oh, she's spilling her drink all over the place. There went half your drink, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang. That's beautiful. Well, this zone is the real Texas Chainsaw Massacre. For real. They did a good job as well. Overall, sliders are still fun. I mean, they're all fun, but sliders are more fun, interactive, and they can talk to you and say things, which is funny. We have fun with that. But yeah, so tonight I wouldn't have showed you anything but scare zones. That's all you got. That's all you need. I mean, scare zones, dude, they're everything because you can record. Can't record inside the haunts, but I love the scare zones. I'll try to get back. I don't know when. I've got so much to edit. I'm so behind on editing. But yeah, so if it's your first time here, give me a thumb up, not a one finger up. You can do that too, but give me a thumb down if you want to. I don't care, that's engagement. I try to reply to positive comments and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. What the heck are you doing if you're not subscribed? But I appreciate you coming along and having a look. Happy Fright Fest, and I'll see you all later. And y'all stay savage.
Thanks for watching, Savage Mr.
Like, subscribe, and share, and send money.